got 3 cars that we got to service, and that's about it. So we'll get into it now. All right, so the reason why we wanted to use a car hoist is because we've never used a car hoist before and it's useful. So instead of having to crawl on the ground, we can stand underneath it. We can actually check everything that could possibly be wrong with this car. So we've got lots of scrapes. Come down here, we've got a few issues down here that we can talk about a bit later. But having a car hoist makes shit nice and easy. Few issues? Oh, sad. Very so. Oh dear, that's connected there. Got a diff leak, so we're gonna have to sort this out eventually. CV boot stuff there as well. Yeah, I got a few issues, but nothing that can't be fixed. But a bit easier to look at this here than root around on the ground. All right, oil's been changed. We're about to start with oil. We're not really going too much about this because we're all about Falcons here, not Skylines. But yes, pretty basic stuff. We're not going to be going too in depth with the servicing side of stuff. So yeah, fill this up, next car. All right, we got Connor's car up on the hoist. Just checking over it, making sure nothing's worn out. You can see he's been busy up in here, lots of rubber. So yeah, just doing a nice little health check on it before Christmas Eve, because we're doing not Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. There's promises, he's made promises. So yeah, we'll just check over it again. Nothing major's jumping out at us, but all right, we've checked over it. It's got a board joint up there that's cracked or split, so we're gonna have to replace that. Also back here, we've got a boot on our drive shaft that's got a split in it too, so we're gonna have to do that. We're also gonna have to scrape off the 3 kilos of rubber that's on the back of these guards, so we'll do that before we chuck it down. Apart from that, everything else seems to be all right on it, which is the main thing. So we'll just finish topping up the oil and then we'll send it. Okay, now's the time everyone's been waiting for. We're gonna put the FGX up on the hoist. Shut up, Connor, it's the time I've been waiting for. We're gonna check over it, see what the last 40,000 Ks has done to it. Since every time it's been up on a hoist, I haven't had a chance to get under it and have a look. So we'll lift her up now and have a geezer. We'll have a look. What do we got? I mean, it shouldn't have anything majorly wrong with it. It's only got 48,000 Ks on the clock. Just check all the normal stuff. So much nice room under here. So much room for activities. So I think the next mod we're going to do is hopefully put a surge tank up here like we had in Connor's one. So that's the next big thing, but they're expensive. So everything else looks all right, but so can't complain. We'll drop the oil in it, change the filter, and then send it. As you can see, that Muffler Madness exhaust job they did still holds up, looks fantastic. So, and they also, when they did it, they changed the bolting spots. There was 2 bolts up here. They changed it, put one up in the top there, and then made the straight pipe here. So I'm happy with that. Sweet, let's get her done, bro. Alrighty, so it's pretty dark. I mean, we only changed this not long ago, but you know, you get that with these big jobs. So we're gonna chuck in a bit of 10W40 Penrite, as always, because Penrite sponsors the channel. Just kidding, no one sponsors the channel. If you sponsor us, we'll advertise your shit, so. But yes, we're gonna change the filter, do all the good stuff. Connor looks impressed, I look impressed. Pretty much, not really much we can talk about. Servicing a car. We've done it enough. So, exciting. Well, services are all done. Both of the cars, well, all 3 cars are good, ready to rumble. So hopefully we can do some shenanigans soon. Yeah, thanks for watching. Keep on boosting and we'll see you in the next video. Woo!